All right, everyone, we're here today unboxing our G560 Logitech speakers. All right, so we're just gonna open up this little plastic right here. I've been wanting these for a while, super excited. I know they've been out for maybe a couple years, but they're new to me and I've done a lot of research and they're supposed to be the best speakers on the market. Just gives you a little welcoming and then it shows you how to hook up the speakers here. It's not too bad. So it comes with a subwoofer and two smaller speakers, and then the smaller speakers have RGB lighting. So these are the smaller speakers, and here's our subwoofer. Gives you some handles to pull it straight out. It's pretty nice, convenient. And here's, I believe this is a subwoofer. It should be. It's the biggest one. Okay, and it stands straight up. For some reason, I thought it was gonna be laying down like this. So here's the subwoofer. Pretty nice. Okay, in the back, it has the connections. It should tell you left and right. Has an auxiliary output. And this is the power cord. This is the bottom. And there's the speaker on the bottom. All right. So that's a subwoofer. And now we would do the little mini speakers. I could figure out how to open this box. I don't think that's the correct way, but that's how we're gonna do it. And there we go. Comes with a little Logitech sticker, like all of the devices. Here's the left and right speakers. And this is the plug to the computer, the USB port. Alright, so this is one of the speakers. This is the left speaker. So obviously the speaker's in the front, the light's in the back. And I believe it has a little light strip on the inside as well. If you can see in here, should be a nice little light strip. And the same thing with the right speaker, should be. Okay, this is the right speaker. And it has the plus, the volume up, volume down, and the power on this one. And then of course the speaker in the front and then the light in the back. And it just has the G560 on the side. All right, we're gonna get these installed. Okay, so the only problem I've been having with our new speakers is, this is my old speaker, of course, and I needed an auxiliary cord so I can use it on the PlayStation because obviously it's not connected to my computer. So my new speakers, the Logitechs, didn't come with an auxiliary cord, which I need a decently long, at least a 4-foot one, to reach all the way down to the subwoofer. And so now I have to go and buy one myself, which I already did. And so now this is the aux cord, and it works great, but that's the only problem I had. We got the speakers set up. We got the big subwoofer on the bottom, and we got the two smaller speakers up here. Obviously this is the left and this is the right. This little light tells you if the speakers are on, and we're gonna jump into the settings over here. So now I jumped into the Logitech settings. It's called the G Hub, I believe. And you just click in, you go into your light sync if you want them to reflect the color of the background as my speakers are right now. And so obviously there's two different light strips. There's the front ones and then there's the back ones, as you can see. And here in the sample you can edit how big the screen is and what section you want it to reflect. You see, if I click on a different one, it lights up a different area. And so now I have it configured. You can put it into all kinds of different settings. You can go to your desktop, you can go to Apex, you can go to Call of Duty, whatever you want to edit, and edit to how you like it. You see now they're orange, of course, because of my background, because of the desktop. So now I'm gonna open up Apex Legends, and see now it's red because of the background. And we will jump into a game really quick. And of course you see the background, if it changes, the lights will change with it. Alright, so now we're just loading up into a game. And obviously the background changes with the color scheme. And it has really great bass, I'm sorry. So on my control settings, I can control the volume here. And obviously that was maxed out, but I only have it to first person. That's pretty loud. And that's about it, you know. Really great speakers. It took me a little while to figure out the settings, but once I got them, it's pretty simple.
Wait, what did you say?
I will stream every Monday through Friday, about 10 p.m. Mountain Time. So you guys catch me on my Twitch at AndresQMMA. We'll see you guys there.